is some big breaking news coming in, which I think every Indian deserves to know, viewers. Today, this is very significant. Italy has claimed the first COVID vaccine. Yes, that's the big news that is breaking. Virus has been neutralized in human cells. The Italian government has come out and made this claim. I think it's being attributed to the Italian government. I just want to bring in Srinjoy Chaudhary. Apparently, antibodies have been found that can kill this particular virus. Rome Hospital has confirmed. Does this have the imprimatur of the Italian government? What can you tell us, Srinjoy?
Yes, what we are hearing, Rahul, is that this does not only work on rat cells, but on human cells. And that's really a very big plus as far as the war on COVID is concerned. Because if it works on human cells, this is the beginning of the end of the COVID menace. Whether it works out or not, finally, we do not know. But it certainly is a great step as far as...
So you're saying that the virus has been neutralized in human cells. What is the science behind this? Can you quickly update? What is the science behind this? Is there some sort of a written copy that has come with this?
Yes, what we are hearing is that doctors have worked in their labs and they have tried this on human cells. And we find that human cells, when facing the COVID vaccine, produces antibodies. Now, this is a big development. This is perhaps just the beginning, but it could lead to a lot in the future.
Okay, well, according to the test carried out at Rome's infectious disease Spallanzani Hospital, an Italian corona vaccine has antibodies generated in mice that work on human cells. This is what the report is stating. Researchers in Rome's Lazzaro Spallanzani National Institute for Infectious Diseases said they found that the vaccine has neutralized the virus in human cells. Spallanzani was the first research center in Europe to isolate the genomic sequence of COVID-19. Viewers, this could be very big news. We will, of course, be getting more updates on this as the evening progresses. But if this is true, then maybe, as Srinjoy Chaudhary has been telling us, that could spell the end for the corona menace. Maybe by going for a lockdown so much earlier, we have spared ourselves of some grief. If this vaccine can be quickly, very quickly mass-produced and sent across all over the world, we might be rid of corona in the next 45 to 50 days. We leave it at that. The news hour with Navika Kumar coming up in just a few moments.